So guys, we're gonna do the ABCs, kind of like a 1, 2, 3
Yes.
of DIY. Are we gonna do 3 different things?
Yeah, so we've got measuring, we've got drilling, and then we've got painting.
And is Lily going to be
Lily's-
working today?
She's gonna help. You're gonna help us a little bit, right?
Are you gonna help
right?
a little bit?
She's got the Play-Doh there, so she's very excited.
It's really up to you to decide when it's time to introduce this stuff to your kids.
Yeah.
Some of these things, like measuring, for example, is super easy, and kids really tend to love
Just like in the kitchen.
the
My
measuring
daughter-
tape.
Measuring, right.
My daughter loves it. She takes the measuring tape from me all the time, and she goes around to the furniture and she's pulling it. So those are fun things to get them introduced to tools, and they don't have to think that it's something scary. It's something that they can do.
Yeah, at 3 and 4, it's more of, this, and then at 4 and 5 and 6, it's 1, 2, 3. Then you introduce halves and quarters, so it's a great way to start fractions and teaching about
Basic
numbers.
math, exactly. Yeah.
For you and for you guys, some basics with the tape measure. We all know that the hook on the tape measure, you can put it on the end of a piece of wood. It helps you measure.
Right.
If you are on an inside corner, meaning that you have a wall and you can't lock the tape and you're trying to pull a really long measurement, the tape tends to fall. At the end, that most people don't know, this is a nail hook or a screw hook. So we've got a little...
Shut up!
A little,
Yes!
all
No
you,
one knows what it's used for. They
all
just
you
think
got to
it's
do is
something
hook
shiny.
it, and you
I
can
hate
go
you
anywhere.
and I love you.
All right. Now, when you get into furniture, right? So Lily, you're gonna hold this with Uncle Anthony, go all the way to the end, and you measure your furniture. You get your measurement first, so this is 44 inches.
44 inches.
Right,
Plate,
and
okay.
then we're gonna measure our picture at the top.
I got this one.
So that's around 31 inches. What you want is 75% of the width of the furniture beneath it. That's what you want for your picture on the wall.
Going to give you a nice proportion.
Cool.
Right?
Okay, so drilling. There's
Oh,
really
God.
3...
I'm
there-
petrified of these things.
Okay, so drills are used for really 2.5 things. One is drilling holes, the other is tightening and then loosening screws, right? So when you're gonna start drilling, don't start on your wall. You then have to repair it when you make a mistake. Yeah, it's funny until you do it. Take a scrap piece of wood and do some test holes. You think it's, oh yeah, I can drill a hole. Yes, you can, but can you drill it properly? We don't want to be this way. We don't want to be this way. So X and Y, we want to be nice and straight in both directions. And we want to go right through that wood, straight down. Now, the reason you're going to be doing this is when you're in sheetrock, you need a molly so that you can hold the weight of your pictures that we were just talking about. If you don't catch a stud, that picture will rip out of the wall. That's another thing we have to repair.
It's just to get you comfortable with the way it feels, and like Anthony said, you want to be nice and level when you're going through.
So one of the easiest tricks to learn when you're starting to drill, sometimes a drill can walk on you. It means that the drill moves when you're trying to go through the piece of wood. You can either buy a nail punch, or just simply, if you have a nail around the house, you take the punch, one smack
it's
is
like
all
a
you...
starter step.
Starter, so you know where
What do
to
you
go.
think, Rach? You ready to go?
This is
I'm ready.
Right in the
Love
starter
this.
hole?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Don't ruin my cutting board. Wait, where's the screw? Don't I need a
Oh,
screw?
I did it for you.
I know, but don't I need to
this is-
put
you're
something?
drilling a hole.
Oh,
drilling a
I'm-
hole. We're already teaching her. We're already teaching her.
What can you do with a toolbox?
I love it. It's for adults. It's not
I
for kids.
told
It's
you.
for adults.
We can
guys.
switch. Here we
This
go.
is not my forte.
We can switch.
No. No.
Perfect. So
Put
we're gonna
pressure on top.
We're gonna
There you
straighten
go.
it out just a bit. Perfect. Don't hold that.
Don't
when
hold
you-
that. Don't hold that.
On top.
On top.
And
just press
squeeze.
it down. There it is. Yeah.
Boom. I mean,